How to fix check network environment in Wuthering Waves. If you're getting check network environment and try again error in Wuthering Waves, first of all, whether you're using on Mac or Windows or other devices, you first want to make sure to close the Wuthering Waves game completely. So right click on it and hit the quit button to close it completely. Then after you've done that, it could be an issue with your internet connection. So click on the Wi-Fi toggle and simply go to your Wi-Fi settings. Try to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on back again to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If not, you can also try to go to details and you can just try to check if you've enabled any sort of low data mode or anything like that, and you want to reset those settings. In case you're using a VPN, make sure that you disconnect from the VPN because sometimes the VPN service could quite be slow. Now, if you're using on Mac, you have downloaded from App Store. So go to your App Store and in the search bar, just search for Withering Waves and check if the game has an update available. And if you're using from Windows, most likely you're using through Epic Games Launcher. So from there, you want to verify the files before you try to go ahead and then update or reinstall the application. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.